Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Adam Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SNM video update. Now, I don't know what happened here. I don't know. I'm looking at the charts. All of a sudden, I see all these green candles and everyone is just shocked what happened. And that gives you the flashback of what a bull run can actually be. Just imagine this coin went from like 2 cents, all the way up to 7.7447. But what I want to say is, if you have some holding in this coin, is sell it and run away, sell 70%. Buying is not recommended. Who buys green candles? You never buy green candles. Green are meant for selling, reds are meant for buying. But unfortunately, the way the market was behaving, the way we still have Bitcoin on its own looking bad and so many other different coins looking bad. Now, there are no any particular news as to why this coin was pumping to the upside, but all we see is the following. Now, you did actually break out of it and you have finally made one bearish candle that shows that you're going to move lower, unless if you don't go up to 13.7, then you're going to continue to move even higher. So if you cross 13.7, I reckon that you're going to continue. I don't know where you're going to continue to go, but unfortunately the candlestick that I want to talk about quickly is a shooting star candlestick right now. And if you look at the shooting star candlestick after an uptrend, it actually signifies that you're looking for a downtrend. So this is the move to the upside, and you can see that one big huge long wick to the upside, a small body, and that's the candle you're looking for. So the highest part of it shouldn't be crossed. If you cross the highest part of it, you're going to continue higher. Now unfortunately, it's just overbought. Okay, everyone knows it's overbought, and if someone has invested, it's better for them to take a little bit of their profits out, and that could be something that is actually there. That's pretty much it for this SNM video update. Nobody knows what's going on with this coin, but it's pretty much clear to me that you could actually start to make red candles and slowly try to retrace all the way down to maybe back 0.2. You never know. Okay, you can still continue going down there, but it's a very new data. I cannot really say anything about it. It depends on how you behave while moving to the downside, because if you look at the EMAs are really shoot to the upside. So I do expect some big retracement down to probably even $1 or to this 55 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, because it's way too extended, really overextended, and nobody knows what happens. And that's just crypto for you. Long boring sessions and a second or a moment of shoot to the upside. So if you have invested, take out your profits. That's what I can recommend you to do. If you want to buy, I don't recommend you buying this coin. At least who buys this much? Come on. Everybody knows this is not a zone. This is not a buying zone by any means, by the way. And that's pretty much it for this SNM update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.